Theo, can you tell the video what we are going to do?
You do.
Or do I have to do?
Yeah.
Hello guys and welcome back to another video. ഇന്നത്തെ വീഡിയോയിൽ നമ്മൾ walk and talk വീഡിയോ ആണ്. നമ്മൾ walkന് പോവാണ്. അപ്പോൾ തിയോ ഉണ്ട്. What did you say?
Don't speak Malayalam.
Okay, then you say in English.
No, you say
Hello everyone. So we're just going for a walk. It's about to rain, so I don't know how long we're gonna make it. Okay, let's go. What? Uh-oh, we're gonna have to go back.
Sorry guys. But we could still see my dad play Fortnite. But Baba, you can speak English. Please speak English in Fortnite.
Okay.
Yes. So you like it? Understand?
Mm-hmm.
Get it, can to and fix about.